This is the perfect smoked food recipe for anything from game day to a holiday like Christmas or Easter or something else where a beautiful smoked spatchcock chicken will look beautiful as the centerpiece. So this will feed about 4 people, maybe 5 people a bird, but it would be very easy to scale up this recipe. You can print out all of the recipe steps at SipBite.go. So the first thing you do is you remove the backbone and you press down on the chicken to flatten it out as much as possible after spatchcocking it. Then pat it dry with paper towel. And next you just want to drizzle on some olive oil on top of the bird and make sure to massage and get it all over, covering it again. And then go in with your favorite barbecue sauce or poultry rub. Something like lemon chicken seasoning would be great too. Here I'm just using a Traeger chicken rub. You can find my favorite seasonings and tools and stuff. I have a whole recommendation list on SipBite.go that will link you to Amazon. So anyways, you just put that all over the chicken liberally, and now we're going to get to smoking the spatchcock chicken. So the first step is to smoke it at 225 degrees Fahrenheit directly on the Traeger grill grates. You can hit the super smoker option. It's a button over there when it's smoking at 225. So after 30 minutes, increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I was just preparing a little vegetable to serve with this. You can get some easy side dish recipes at SipBite.go too. So, okay, your chicken, when it is about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, it's almost done, but it still has about 15 degrees to go. That's a good time to make some butter based. You just need to melt butter and brush it on top of the chicken so it can finish smoking in the Traeger pellet grill for just a little bit longer. This whole recipe takes under 2 hours, but it'll just take a little bit longer at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, there are 3 different temperatures. I think that was just my favorite method to get the crispy skin, but also get a super tender, juicy chicken that's full of smoky flavor. Chicken really picks up all sorts of smokes, like mesquite's great. Hickory would be very strong for chicken. You could do something lighter like a pecan, or even using like the Traeger turkey pellets. I have a whole post and video on the Traeger turkey pellets. They would be another great flavor. There's some rosemary in there. So I recommend really any sort of pellets for chicken. I find it's pretty versatile. So anyways, I just made some veggies here to go with the chicken while it was finishing up on the smoker. Let it rest for about 15 minutes after that, just so all the juices can settle. And then you are ready to carve and serve. It's such a beautiful, beautiful dish. And there are so many other recipes that would be good to serve with it. You could look up the SipBite.go smoked mashed potatoes or the smoked mac and cheese. I also have some desserts that have come up lately. You could serve this with some smoked pineapple or my smoked cake topped with pineapple. Get all those recipes at SipBite.go. Cheers!